Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What do you do when your basement is flooding? Step 1. Put safety first and call your electrician. If you do experience a basement flood, remember to put safety first. Step 2. Remove important items to a dry area. Step 3. Call your plumber. Step 4. Call your insurance company. Step 5. Clean up, sanitize, and deodorize.
Take our lead.
The most effective way to keep rainwater out of your basement is to install an interior drainage system. A proven solution for keeping the basement dry, a good waterproofing system minimizes hydrostatic pressure. An interior drain tile connects to a sump pump.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.